First of all, I would like to welcome you, my dear friends, in e-classes of human rights. Today, we are going to discuss something about the substantive human rights which have been mentioned under the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights 1966, namely, the part in respect of substantive rights under Article 6 to 27. The substantive rights mean the human rights, civil and political rights, have been contained under Part 3 of this covenant, which are being mentioned hereinafter concisely in the convenient view of study. First is that the inherent right to life, and also this Article 6 provides the death penalty in most serious crimes on the deprivation of the right to life. Second is the right regarding prohibition of and protection from torture, cruelty, inhuman, degrading treatment or punishment. Particularly, no person shall be subjected to the medical or scientific examination without one's free consent. Third is that the rights in relation to the prohibition of slavery, slave, and slavery trade in all forms and servitude. Fourth is that the protection from forced or compulsory labor. Fifth is that the rights with regard to liberty, security of person, and protection from arbitrary arrest or detention. Sixth is that the right in respect of the treatment with humanity to inherent dignity of human persons for all the persons deprived from their liberties. Seventh is that the rights regarding juveniles for the separation from adults, their treatment, reformation, and rehabilitation. Eight is that the right in relation to the prohibition of and protection from the imprisonment only on the basis of inability for the fulfillment of a contractual obligation. Ninth is that the rights with regard to the liberty of movement and freedom to choose the residence, the right free to leave any country with the inclusion of his own. Tenth is that the rights regarding expulsion of an alien lawfully from the territory of the state party of this covenant, according to law, except where the compelling reasons of the national security and the protection from the arbitrary expulsion of an alien. 11th is that the rights regarding the equality before the courts or tribunals. 12th is that the right to fair and public hearing. 13 is that the right to presumption as innocent until proved guilty in accordance with law. 14 is that the rights regarding entitlement of minimum guarantees with absolute equality about any criminal charge against the person to be informed forthwith and in details language which is understood by him and cause of the charge against him. The right about the adequate time and facilities to prepare the defense and communication with the counsel of his own choice. The right to be tried without undue delay. Next is that the right to be tried in his presence. 18 is that the right to be defend himself in person or by legal practitioner of his own choice. 19 is that the right to free legal aid on the basis of economical insufficient means or other disability. 20 is that the rights regarding examination of witnesses and their attendance, which also covers the right to free assistance of an interpreter in case of understanding or unspeaking of the used language in court. 21 is that the protection from self-incrimination. 22 is that the right to appeal against the conviction. 23, the protection from double jeopardy. 24 is that the right to compensation against final conviction or pardon according to law on the basis of new or newly discovered fact relieves conclusively that there has been a miscarriage of justice until or unless it's proved that the non-disclosure of non-fact in time is attributable to him entirely or partly. 25 is that the protection from retrospective effect or enforceability of laws. 26 is that the right to recognition everywhere before the law as a person. 27. Right to privacy and its protection. 28. The right to freedom of thoughts, conscience, and religion. 29. The right to freedom of holding opinion and expression. 30. The prohibition of propagation for war. 31. The right to peaceful assembly. 32. The rights with regard to freedom of association, right to form or join trade unions to protection his interest. The right to solemnize the marriage and make or found the family. The right of protection of children. The right in connection with taking part in public affairs or by elected representatives, adult suffrage, boards, elections, and others. Next is that, namely 36. The rights as equality before law and equal protection of laws. 37. The rights of minorities. My dear friends, we have discussed something about the substantive civil and political rights which have been mentioned under the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights 1966. So my dear friends, the human rights under this covenant have been mentioned under Article 6 to 27. For the convenient study, the rights have been described. So, if you like this video, please subscribe it, like it, share it, and give your comments as feedback. And keep watching our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.